If your apartment catches fire tomorrow or someone breaks in and steals everything you own, you'd lose between $20,000 and $30,000. That's the average renter's belongings right here in Minnesota. Most people have no idea what they'd actually pay to replace it all. And here's the thing, your landlord's insurance doesn't cover any of it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Minnesota renters insurance covers, why it matters in our climate, and what's going to cost you the most money if you don't have it. Minnesota weather is brutal. We get tornadoes in spring and summer, ice dams and burst pipes in winter, hailstorms that total cars and damage roofs across the Twin Cities. My clients come in all the time after severe weather events asking why their belongings aren't covered. The answer is they need renter's insurance before the storm hits, not after. Renter's insurance covers theft, fire, water damage from burst pipes, windstorm damage. All the things our Minnesota climate throws at us regularly. A standard Minnesota renter's insurance policy has three main pieces. First, personal property coverage. That's your furniture, electronics, clothes, everything you own. Second, liability protection. This is huge. If someone gets hurt in your apartment or you accidentally damage someone else's property, liability covers the medical bills and legal fees. Most people skip this, and it's a massive mistake. Third, loss of use coverage. If your place becomes uninhabitable after a fire or major damage, this pays for your hotel, your meals, all your living expenses while repairs happen. When you add up your TV, your laptop, your furniture, your clothing, your kitchen stuff, most renters in Minnesota hit $20,000 to $30,000 in personal property value pretty fast. For liability, I see a client starting at $100,000, but honestly, $300,000 gives you real peace of mind and doesn't cost that much more. Loss of use, put it at $30,000 or $40,000. You're talking about a comprehensive policy that covers you completely, and it'll run you maybe $15 to $20 a month. That's cheaper than a couple coffees. Here's what people get wrong constantly. They think their landlord's insurance covers their stuff. It doesn't. Your landlord's policy covers the building structure. That's it. It does not cover your belongings. It doesn't cover your liability if you cause damage, and it absolutely doesn't pay your living expenses if you're displaced. I had a client in Minneapolis whose kitchen caught fire last winter, spread to her neighbor's unit. Her landlord's insurance covered the building repairs, but she had to pay out of pocket for 3 months of hotel stays, meals, and lost property until she got a renter's policy in place. By then, it was too late. Get the coverage before something happens. Call us right now at 763-733-7475. We're licensed in Minnesota, Wisconsin, North Dakota, South Dakota, Iowa, Illinois.